When the movie starts, a sanatorium in West Virginia is shown in the year 1974, and this sanatorium was basically built for deformed people. And the deformed people who lived here were actually deformed due to bleeding and birth defects. Then the in charge of the place, Dr. Brandon, was telling Dr. N about the patients there, and during this time a patient catches Dr. N from behind and takes out a hairpin from her hair. Then both of them move forward and Dr. Brandon takes Dr. N to the lockup of the Illeger brothers, and those three brothers were none other than Three Finger South and One Eye. Dr. Brandon tells that these three brothers were found by Mrs. Illeger in a forest, and that is why they are called Illeger brothers. And by the time these brothers were found, they had already eaten their parents. And not only this, the doctor calls them the most dangerous patients there, although they were still children, and the proof of their being dangerous is that one of them chewed off his two fingers, and he was three finger, one ate his eye by taking it out, and hence he was one eye, and the third one used to rub his teeth against the walls, and hence he was south tooth, and he had bitten many patients and injured them badly. Hearing all this, Dr. Anne asks how these three bear so much pain. On this, Dr. Brandon tells her that they do not feel any pain. After this, they move ahead, and the patient who had taken out Dr. Anne's pin started opening the lock with that pin. But he does not do so because he was not that intelligent, and those three brothers see him and ask him for that pin, on which he throws the pin towards them. And the most intelligent among those brothers, i.e. Three Finger, opens the lock, and all the three brothers secretly come out and kill the security guard, and then go to the control room and open all the cells. And from then on, that place becomes a complete mental asylum. The three doctors catch N and give him electric shocks and keep doing this until his brain is completely cooked. After this, they catch Dr. Brandon and kill him brutally while showing off their smartness. And then 29 years pass, and after 29 years, 9 students are shown. At that time, they are enjoying the snow a lot. They had to go to a friend's cabin, but they forget the way and get badly stuck in a very dangerous storm. And during this time, they see a building there. They all move towards that building, but they have no idea that how heavy a price they will have to pay to go there. And that building was the same sanatorium where the three brothers used to live. As soon as they go inside, they come to know that it was a hospital, and they light a fire and sit there comfortably. But they were not the people who sit comfortably, because it was in their nature to go to a deserted place and search the whole place and find wine in the in charge's office, and there they also find the patient's file. Then they come to know that the deformed people were kept here. Then we see that the three brothers reach that sanatorium with someone. They reach a place where they find a film reel. Daniel puts it in a projector and plays it. In that film, it was being shown that the most extreme tests were being done on the Illeger brothers. After watching that film, Lauren says that her brother used to tell her very scary stories about them. She tells that those people were very dangerous and used to kill and eat people. But no one believes her words, and everyone goes to sleep. At night, everyone goes to sleep in their respective rooms. But Vincent cannot sleep, and he starts walking. He sees that someone was standing in front of him, and it was his same front boarder in whose cabin they had gone. When he goes near him, he sees that he is dead, and without giving him time to think, South Tooth kills him by inserting an iron rod in his head. When the morning comes, the storm has not stopped and they are still there. Due to Winston being missing, Jaina asks everyone about him, but no one had seen him, and along with this, all their belongings were also missing. On this, they think that maybe this time too Winston is playing a joke on them, and everyone starts looking for him. 4 of the students go to the basement, and there they find a strange cage in which a lot of tools are kept, and when they move forward they find all the cells in which the patients were kept, and when they move forward they see that there is a lot of blood there, which makes them even more worried. In the basement, they all go in different directions, and then Jaina goes to the kitchen. There she sees that Sawtooth is cutting the voter into pieces. Then Three Finger comes there and takes Sawtooth away. Then Jaina also quickly runs away from there and comes to all those people and tries to tell them. Then something falls in front of them from the voter's jacket. Then Kenya goes to check it, and as soon as she opens the jacket, she sees that it contains the voter's severed head. They were not yet able to recover. The three brothers throw a hair wire from the balcony and try to pull clear up by putting it around his neck. Then Kyle grabs his leg and it gets completely filled with his blood. Despite all this effort, he is unable to save Kyle and his head gets separated from the body and falls on him. They all try to escape from there, but their snowmobiles were not working because they had removed their spark plugs. Now they were not able to understand what to do. Lawrence, who was a ski champion, decides that she will go to get help by skiing, and then she leaves from there to get help. Everyone else did not have warm clothes and they did not even stand in the storm. Then they decide to lock themselves in the in-charge office. They quickly run to the office. Did not have anything. However, they had seen a lot of tools in the basement, and that is why Kyle, Daniel and Sarah go to the basement, and there they go after Three Finger and they quickly hide in the cage, and when Three Finger leaves, they run away from there with a lot of weapons. On the other hand, one comes, breaks into the office door and catches Kenya, but Bridget hits a blade in his hand and he leaves Kenya, and they all are running from the basement and Daniel is at the back. Then Sawtooth catches Daniel and takes him to the kitchen and ties him up. When Kyle and Sarah reach the office, they see that Daniel was not behind them, while the three brothers are cutting Daniel alive, whose screams they can all hear, and in the end, after a lot of arguments, they go to save him. Then Kyle sees that the three of them were cutting his muscles and frying them in oil and eating them. Daniel does not survive the torture, and seeing him dead, they all decide that they will trap the three of them. Thinking this, they attack them and lock them in a cell. Then Kyle decides to kill them by burning them, but Kanaya stops him from doing so. She refuses because maybe her humanity had awakened and she was thinking that they are innocent. They ask Kyle to stay there to guard them, and they themselves go to sleep. And the biggest thing is that the pin with which he opened that lock is still lying there, and when Kyle falls asleep, Three Finger shows his smartness and opens the lock, and as soon as he comes out, Southwood catches Kyle. And when Kenya comes to check on Kyle, the generator stops automatically and there is darkness everywhere, and there she sees that neither Kyle is there nor the three are in the cell. She comes back and tells everyone, and then someone comes to the door with his face covered, and they all think that maybe it is Three Finger whom they beat brutally and he dies. Then they think of seeing his face, then they see that it was not Three Finger but it was Kyle whose tongue was cut. Seeing him, they all try to run away from there, but those three brothers start chasing them badly. While running, they all reach their rooms where their luggage was also kept. They all decide to come out of the window wearing their jackets, but it was a sanatorium where all the windows were sealed, and there they find a broken window. But there was a lot of snow behind that window. Sarah starts removing that snow, and in the meantime those three brothers also reach there, and Three Finger tries hard to break the door. After Three Finger, Southwood tries to break the door, and in the meantime Sarah manages to make a path out of the snow and they get out of there. But Jana is unable to get out and she takes a drill and kills her. The other three run away from there to save their lives, but the three brothers also chase them on their snowmobiles. Southwood catches Bridget, on which she attacks him with a knife and he leaves her. On the other side, we are shown Lauren, who is dead due to freezing, and the most sad thing here is that the main road was right in front of her, which she could not see due to the storm, and she lost courage and sat there and died. Now only Kenya and Sarah survive, and Kenya is running to save her life and Van Eye is after her. Just when he is about to catch Kenya, Sarah hits him and throws him down, and she leaves from there with her snowmobiles. Both of them are very happy. They are so happy that they do not notice the wires installed there, and both of them get beheaded. Then Three Finger comes there and takes away their heads, and their bodies remain lying there. And with this the movie ends.